welcome back. So in this short video we will discuss about Fiverr buyer's request. So click on more and then click on buyer's request. Your screen will look like this and you can see here 10 offers left today. The buyer's request section is reserved for buyers who want to make purchases. Sellers are not allowed to use this section to promote their gigs. Doing so may lead to an account warning. Buyer's request is the best tool to find clients. You are literally contacting them directly and telling them why you are better than the rest, why he or she should choose you. You get to send 10 requests every day, so that's 300 requests every month. Now understand that out of all those buyers, there has to be at least one that finds you impressive. To send that impressive request, you need to stand out from the rest. For example, I have just finished another order. Don't start with this story. Don't waste your time on post that has at least 15 plus requests. Most probably the buyer has already chosen a seller or will not bother to see your request. So that's the brief overview about buyer's request. I hope it will help you when you start selling on Fiverr. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.